Hi guys, I'm here to buy a microwave oven. I'm just looking. Have a lot here. These are what size? So I'm looking at this one. This particular one here is this one. Let's see the price. It's $67. This one here is $67. This one. This one here. These two categories, they look the same, but they are different. It's $55 each. See the price? These are the ones in carton, okay? So I'm going to take this one. This one serves me good. This one's up here. It's $55. You see that? So I'm going to pick from here. You can see the level of picking is high here. So I'm going to join them to pick because, yeah, that's what it is. All right. Thank you. Bye.